Shibuya Crossing.
Ito tapos yan, oh.
Shibuya Crossing.
Ito.
Shibuya Crossing.
Ano na tayo? Balik tayo. Harap na pa.
Sabi kay Daddy, hindi mami i-vlogs mo.
Ito ulit. Meron tayo.
I don't wanna take another picture. Look at their billboards. Look at the Coca-Cola ad
Doon na
up
kayo
there.
doon. Dumikit kayo doon at ako'y...
Let's go! Another Shibuya.
Tingin mo na dito. Dito ka, dito ka. Dito sa...
Ay, layo. Ay, ano mo lang. I-interview mo lang.
Y'all get right here and I'll take those pictures.
IKEA. After this, we're gonna. After this, we're gonna go straight back to the van.
Oo.
Eh, dito. Pumalik pa kay Mami. Dito. Dito ka para kay
Oh.
Let's go. After this round, we're gonna go back to the van. Let's go.
Careful, careful. Careful.
I see them.
After this, I don't even know where I'm going. Long selfie stick.
Abang tayo rin.
Okay, let's go back to the van.
Hindi pa ito nakaano eh. Hindi pa nakabaliktad. Ganun lang ako.
Meron pa tayong 10 minutes.
Let's go back to the van. Me especially, I'm gonna go back to the... Another Shibuya crossing, but we're not attending.
Ebra, dito ka. Oo, sabi na dito.
We're going to the van. We're going to the van now. Let's get in. This van actually has everything we need. We even got water. We even got water. Yeah, this van got everything. Now we're getting drove to our hotel.
Go to your hotel, and then I'll help you check in and everything, yeah?
Wow.
Tomorrow na yung clock.
So, you need to go down. And
We're in a van. with Kuya Benok.
On the first floor. I will tell I'll show you later. Then you will know. I don't think Mr. Ang will leave.
Sorry guys, it's pretty dark in the van.
Because he will ask me, just contact you. Oh yeah, of course. I mean, anyway, I will let you know where to wait for him to
Yeah.
meet me.
Daan nila sa snow. Bakit? Daan nila pabalik. Alin ba?
Yeah, we in a van. Okay, let's drink some water.
Oh yeah, the
Let's
ride
drink some water.
There's only
That's some good water. Put it back in.
about your details
There goes my dog. Oh, it's right there.
of Mr. Baker. Because he is in charge of everything. I just in charge for 2 days. So
My dog. Yeah, it is pretty dark. Okay, guys. Okay, we're just gonna skip until the hotel.
then tomorrow just
Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.